As we all know that SEBI Grade A 2024 Phase 1 examination is over. Now all the students who are confident enough that they will clear the predetermined cutoff, that is 30% and 40% and overall 40% in Phase 1 examination, they should quickly start their preparation for the most critical, for the most difficult stage in SEBI Grade A exam, that is Phase 2. Phase 2 को कोई भी lightly नहीं ले सकता. However you study, however smart you are, or maybe you are way too intelligent, but when Phase 2 comes, when it comes to even paper 1, when it comes to paper 2, if you are not practicing enough, if you have not put enough hard work there, definitely you will not find your name in your final list of selection. Also let me tell you, 2-3 चीजें हैं सेबी के फेज 2 के सिलेक्शन की आपको पता नहीं होंगी. First thing is, always remember, SEBI Grade A 2024 Phase 2 exam is of total 200 marks, but the paper 1 marks are reduced to 1/3, paper 2 marks are reduced to 2/3 and उसके 100 marks बनाए जाते हैं. फिर आपको भी जितने marks मिले, that also will be reduced in 1/3 and 2/3 format out of 100. Then those 100 marks are again reduced to 80 marks. क्यों? Because again 15 to 20 marks your interview is there. So that's how your marks are reduced, and that is why in SEBI Grade A Phase 2 examination paper 1 भी आपको एक specific marks के ऊपर मिलना चाहिए. Similarly SEBI Grade A Phase 2 paper 2 में भी आपको specific marks के ऊपर ही marks मिलने चाहिए, वरना आपका selection नहीं हो सकता. One more thing, even if after reduction of all these marks, even if you get good marks in interview also, in Phase 2 also, and surprisingly you have cleared the cutoff also for SEBI Grade A Phase 2 exam, still there is no guarantee that you will get an interview call. Why? Now you will be asking why. The reason is कि SEBI का अगर आपने Phase 2 का ओवरऑल कट ऑफ भी अगर क्लियर कर दिया तो उसकी एक सेपरेट मेरिट लिस्ट लगती है अकॉर्डिंग टू द कट ऑफ्स ऑफ द स्टूडेंट, एंड उस मेरिट लिस्ट में से टॉप 30 टॉप 40 स्टूडेंट्स को ही इंटरव्यू कॉल आते हैं. इसका मतलब ये है SEBI Phase 2 एग्जाम यू मे क्लियर बट स्टिल यू मे नॉट गेट interview calls, and that is why this shows you that the exam is also difficult, the stage is also difficult, and more importantly the competition is also there. So try to understand and see the overall exam pattern. I hope that I don't need to explain here more. You are knowing very much things about the exam pattern. Here we should not waste our time, but I will try to tell you some of the important aspects. Paper 1 and paper 2 is there. Paper 1 is English descriptive, which has essay, Pressy and reading comprehension. Now when we are talking about your paper 2, which is for your general stream, it has all the 6 subjects again यहाँ पर, ठीक है. Now one more thing is there in new notification, this 40 minutes now are 90 minutes. So now exam pattern, as in the notification there has been no mention of diverse change, but what I think is that the now most logical change which will happen in your Phase 2 paper 2 is that maybe difficult level numericals would be asked to you. Okay, so that can happen in exam. So that is why here you could see from 40 minutes now the exam you are getting 90 minutes for paper 2. Look at it, paper 1 the weightage is 1/3. It means that whatever marks you are going to get, those would be reduced to 1/3, and in paper 2 whatever marks you will be getting, that would be reduced to 2/3. In paper 1, whatever marks you get, the cutoff is 30%. In paper 2, the cutoff is 40%. And overall, to clear, the cutoff is, out of these total 200 marks, the cutoff is 50%. So look at it कि आपको कितने stages clear करना है और क्या क्या metrics है उनको clear करना है. पहले तो क्या करना है, आपको paper 1 में suppose 100 out of 30 के ऊपर लाना ही है, because 30% is the cutoff. Suppose इसमें आपको मिलते हैं 60 marks, तो अगेन 1/3 वेटेज है, तो 60 डिवाइडेड बाय 3 दैट इज 20 मार्क्स ही आपके पेपर 1 में कंसिडर्ड होंगे. पेपर 2 में आपको कुछ भी करके 40% लाने, इसका मतलब आउट ऑफ 100 यू हैव टू एनीवे ब्रिंग अबोव 40. सपोज इन केस हियर इफ यू गेट हाउ मच मार्क्स, 60 मार्क्स इफ यू आर गेटिंग, सो 60 का 2/3, ओके, 60 का 2/3 अगर आप निकालोगे तो हाउ मच, हियर 60 का 2/3 अगर आप निकालोगे तो उतने मार्क्स आपके कंसिडर किए जाएंगे पेपर 2 के लिए. ओके, सो इन दिस वे यू विल अंडरस्टैंड दैट पेपर 1 में आपके 20 मार्क्स, पेपर 2 में आपके 40 मार्क्स, 2/3 ना 60 मार्क्स का 2/3 राइट, तो 40, तो 20 + 40 60 हो गए, ये आउट ऑफ 100 हो गए आपके मार्क्स, एम आई राइट? नाउ अगेन ये जो आपको 60 आउट ऑफ 100 मिले वो आप निकालोगे आउट ऑफ 85 आपको कितने मिले, क्योंकि 15 मार्क्स का इंटरव्यू है, सो अगेन दिस 100 मार्क्स विल बी रिड्यूस्ड टू 85 एंड देन इंटरव्यू हाउ मच मार्क्स यू हैव गॉट आउट ऑफ 15 वो निकालेंगे, देन दैट टैली वुड बी एडेड एंड देन इट वुड बी सीन कि आपका जो टोटल है वो 50% से ऊपर है कि नहीं, सो आउट ऑफ दिस 100 मार्क्स आपका कितना है 60%, इट इज मोर देन 50%, तो आपने क्लियर कर लिया. देन आफ्टर इवन क्लियरिंग द कट ऑफ out of 85, considering your phase 2 marks out of 85, here if your name is not in the merit list and if they select first 40 or first 50 student, तो शायद से आप कट ऑफ तो क्लियर कर लोगे but still you will not get the interview call. So this is why your phase 2 exam becomes difficult. Let's try to understand overall exam pattern, and here see phase 1 is already done, we are more concerned with the phase 2 exam. So phase 2 exam दो पेपर है, here paper 1 100 marks and paper 2 50 questions again for 6 subjects of your SEBI exam for 100 marks. This exam pattern we are knowing. We also know the cutoffs. Now from cutoffs we will try to find out the target score. थोड़ा target score भी देखेंगे. So phase 2 exam जब आप देखते हो तो year 2022 में 62 था, 2020 में 69 था. Okay, so this was your cutoff. If you look at this cutoff, this phase 2 cutoff is out of how much marks? This phase 2 cutoff is how much? This 62 69 marks. This cutoff is out of your phase 2 marks, that is 200, and this whatever cutoff it has been given, it is of your final selection. So in the year of 2022 your unreserved cutoff was 64. Okay, so if you keep this particular thing in your mind, you will understand for SEBI grade A phase 2 exam you should get overall 70 plus marks, and this 70 plus marks are out of 100. So out of 200 how much you should get? In paper 1 you should always get above 60, in paper 2 you should always get 75. Now how I calculated this, let me show you. Imagine this, आप phase 2 exam देने के लिए गए, आपने paper 1 exam दे दिया, ठीक है, paper 1 English descriptive आपने दिया, in that you are getting 60 marks. This 60 marks, out of this 60 only 1/3 will be considered. Now you got 60 which is more than 30%, you have cleared paper 1 cutoff. Now 20 marks will be considered as your 1/3 adjusted weightage. In paper 2 you got 75 marks, paper 2 cutoff was 40%, am I right or wrong? Yes, 75 marks मिले. Now 75 का 2/3 weightage is 50 marks, और ये आपके weightage consider करके 20 50 टोटल कितना हुआ 70. तो ये आपका कितना हुआ टोटल फेज 2 में आउट ऑफ 100, क्योंकि हमने वेटेज कितना लिया 1/3 इन पेपर 1 एंड 2/3 इन पेपर 2. ठीक है, अब 70 मार्क्स आपको मिले बट दिस इज आउट ऑफ 100. नाउ ओवरऑल कट ऑफ कितना था आपका 50%. 70 is more than 50% overall cutoff. That means you have cleared phase 2 cutoff. Congratulations. But as I told you, yes, अब लगेगी मेरिट लिस्ट. इस मेरिट लिस्ट में अगर आप टॉप स्टूडेंट्स में हो देन यू विल गेट द इंटरव्यू कॉल. नाउ यहां पर कहानी खत्म नहीं होती है ऑफ योर एडजस्टमेंट रिलेटेड टू वेटेज. ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस 70 मार्क्स आर अगेन आउट ऑफ 100. दिस इज रिड्यूस्ड आउट ऑफ 85 marks which gives you how much 59.5 marks. तो यहां पर देखो because interview is 15 marks guys. तो एग्जाम्पल अगर आपको इंटरव्यू में कितने मिलते हैं मार्क्स 10 मिलते हैं, जस्ट एन एवरेज मार्क्स इन द इंटरव्यू 15 आउट ऑफ 10 आपको मिले. ये 70 आउट ऑफ 100 उसको आपने रिड्यूस किया, आउट ऑफ 85 आपको कितने मिले 59.5, और आपकी टैली कितनी है 69.5. these are your final marks, that is total phase 2 और इंटरव्यू की टैली. एंड इफ यू सी 69.5 marks, this is your more than your total cutoff which has been there for the year of 2022 as well as 2020 का अगर आप कट ऑफ देखोगे तो it is 69.24, तो उससे भी ज्यादा है. that means you have cleared SEBI grade A 2024 exam and you have become a SEBI grade A officer. तो वो तभी हो पाएगा, ये कब हो सकता है पॉसिबल, जब आपको पेपर 1 में अबो 60 मार्क्स मिलते हैं एंड पेपर 2 में आपको अबो 70 मार्क्स मिलते हैं. ओनली देन ओनली इट इज पॉसिबल कि आपकी टोटल देखो, एवरेज इंटरव्यू में कंसिडर कर लिया 10 मिल गए, तो सबसे मिनिमम, सबसे कम रिस्की वाला गेम यही है कि आपको 69.5 या फिर 70 मार्क्स मिल सकते हैं आउट ऑफ योर टोटल phase 2 and interview preparation for SEBI grade A 2024. That is only possible if in phase 2 paper 1 you are getting more than 60, paper 2 you are getting more than 70. I hope you understood. Now let us try to break down the syllabus and strategize कि ये कैसे किया जा सकता है. Try to understand. Now it is very important to understand we are having 6 subjects with us. कॉमर्स एंड अकाउंटेंसी की अगर हम बात करें, यू हैव टू पिक दोज टॉपिक्स जो फेज 2 के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. तो ओवरऑल सी, D, okay, B, these are very, very important. I'm not saying that A is not important, but B, C, D, these are very, very important in commerce and accountancy. Okay? Introductory part of your theory-based accounting, transactions, part 1, part 2, trial balance, that also you have to do. You shouldn't forget that. Commerce and accountancy का अगर ये कॉमर्स एंड अकाउंटेंसी का अगर ये पार्ट इंपॉर्टेंट है, तो मैनेजमेंट का मैं बताता हूं विच पार्ट इज इंपॉर्टेंट. The role of managers, that is B. C, that is leadership styles, human resources, motivation and communication. So B, C, D, E, F, these are very, very important. Try to understand that in management there are certain topics, for example leadership styles हो गया, theories of motivation हो गया, overall concept and goals of HRD हो गया, leadership theories हो गया, उसके बाद communication हो गया, कम्युनिकेशन चैनल्स हो गया. दीज आर सम ऑफ द इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स जो कि फेज 2 के लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. फाइनेंस की बात करूं, 1 इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट विच इज फाइनेंशियल सिस्टम्स. 2, फाइनेंशियल मार्केट्स इज वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक्स इन सेबी फॉर फेज 2 एग्जामिनेशन. बहुत ही ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है आपका सेकेंडरी मार्केट, प्राइमरी मार्केट, फॉरेक्स, मनी, बॉन्ड, इक्विटी, ऐसे टॉपिक्स. जनरल टॉपिक्स में यू ओनली हैव टू डू फॉरवर्ड फ्यूचर स्वैप्स, रीसेंट डेवलपमेंट्स डेफिनेटली यू हैव टू डू, सेबी का सर्कुलर्स वगैरह कर सकते हो, फाइनेंशियल इंक्लूजन एंड यूज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, देन डायरेक्ट इनडायरेक्ट टैक्सेस ऑल्सो एंड इन्फ्लेशन ओवरऑल. आई होप यू अंडरस्टैंड. व्हेन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट कॉस्टिंग अगेन हियर, सी 1 is important. I hope that introduction of cost management accounting you have done already. The most important is the second part, that is methods of costing, which includes batch costing, contract costing, ये आपका operation costing. इसके ऊपर numericals बनते ही बनते हैं. Basics of costing 3 is also very, very important. And lean systems, this is that topic जो आप last 5 days में कर सकते हो. Okay? Then comes 5SS, Six Sigma, TPM. ये आप लास्ट के 5 दिन में ही करें तो बेटर है, बिकॉज दीज आर वेरी इजी टॉपिक्स एंड यू विल गेट वेरी इजीली मार्क्स इन दीज टॉपिक्स. कंपनीज एक्ट्स में जितने भी चैप्टर कंपनीज के बताए हैं उसको एक बार रिवाइज कर लेना. आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट रीडिंग दोज बट रिवाइजिंग दोज. Here in economics, I feel that the economics subject is one in SEBI in which you can just cover the conceptual part and very easily get the low hanging questions whatever are there, those you can solve it very clearly. Topics like you can do like consumption function हो गया या फिर demand and supply of money हो गया, ISLM हो गया, inflation हो गया, balance of payment हो गया. These are the topics which essentially you have to do. Let us break down your SEBI grade A phase 2 exam. This all 6 subjects are there which we have talked about. The more concentration in these subjects what we have to do, first thing very importantly is numericals. And in numericals we have to concentrate more on commerce and accountancy, costing and even some part of economics. Eco का भी कोई numerical आ सकता है, simple रहेगा, don't miss those marks. So numericals are important. In English descriptive when we are talking about, again here now it is a time to write one essay every week. Pressy, you can try to read newspapers and you can pick out 1 or 2 paragraphs as Pressy and try to solve it. So one essay a week, one Pressy a week, and reading comprehension also you can do it when you are reading the newspapers. Okay, so this is about phase 2. Now let us look at how you can strategize the important topics which are from phase 2 angle. Simple. If you see finance, financial system, markets, derivatives, recent developments, financial inclusion, alternate sources of finance, taxation, FRBM and inflation. These are 9 topics, very important. What you can do is that you can give daily at least 3 hours for your revision as well as mocks which are related to finance. Here if you are starting your preparation, you can first 15 days, you can do the first 10 days, you can do the preparation for any 2 subjects. जैसे कि आपने शुरू किया फाइनेंस से और मे बी कॉस्टिंग से, या फिर कॉमर्स एंड अकाउंटेंसी से एंड मैनेजमेंट से. सो कॉमर्स एंड अकाउंटेंसी एंड मैनेजमेंट फॉर फर्स्ट 10 days, then finance and costing for next 10 days, and then your economics and your companies act for next 10 days. 30 days में आपका complete phase 2 का preparation हो गया. So 10 days is to be given for any 2 subjects. So finance is done in this way. So as you see, chapter 1 chapter 2 essentially है, but B C D are very very easy. आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो B, C and D जो जनरल टॉपिक है फाइनेंस के, आप कर ही सकते हो. ये जो 2 टॉपिक है वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यू कैनॉट मिस देम. Numericals in finance you can expect from bonds and derivatives. So I am already telling you which could come. One of the examples here has been given. ये आपका overall this is a question related to depreciation. ये question पूछा गया है. So such numerical can definitely come up in exam. Now comes the management. Management में पहले ही मैंने बताया management processes, leadership, HRD, motivation, communication. These are मोटा मोटी में ये important topics है in the management. यहाँ पर भी 3 hours daily considering mocks also included. Okay, MCQ questions. तो ये करना बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है. For phase 2 exam, roughly you will be having 30 days in your hands. So first 10 days for 2 subjects, next 10 days for next 2 subjects and next 10 days for next 2 subjects. मैनेजमेंट PYQs you could see simple है, easy है, इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक से ही आते हैं, ट्रिवियल क्वेश्चन ही जनरली पूछे जाते हैं एंड केस स्टडी बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस एंड एप्लीकेशन बेस्ड क्वेश्चंस भी पूछे जाते हैं. वन ऑफ द एग्जांपल इज दिस: एंगर, फ्रस्ट्रेशन एंड ह्यूमर आर एग्जांपल ऑफ विच टाइप ऑफ कम्युनिकेशन बैरियर? आंसर इज इमोशनल. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट इज इकोनॉमिक्स. अगेन टॉपिक देखो, नेशनल इनकम, किन्जियन अप्रोच, consumption function, demand supply, inflation, balance of payment and monetary and fiscal policy. What I think for economics is, if your concepts are clear, it will fetch you more marks. So try to understand. Economics को अपना दुश्मन मत समझो. Within all the subjects, commerce and accountancy and costing are challenging. Economics is actually one part where you just need to understand this subject. That's it. Then when we are talking about economics PYQs, here you could see a quantitative control by RBI. Related to that, a question is asked. Indirect material, again important question related to sectors of economy that has been asked. So simple questions are asked, you don't need to worry about that. Commerce and accountancy, एक तो accounting systems, accounting standards, CFS, cash flow statement, fund flow statement, financial system and statement analysis, accounting of share capital, employee stock options, and then preparation and presentation of company final accounts. Commerce and accountancy may make sure that of every type you are practicing the numerical. I will tell you for all rest of the students, if you are looking for any of the particular course which will help you to prepare for SEBI Grade A exam 2024, then already for phase 2 exam dedicatedly, we have launched phase 2 crash course for SEBI exam. So let me show you that what are the things you will be getting in this phase 2 exam. Just go here, click here into the regulatory bodies section. Once you reach the regulatory bodies, here just scroll down and you will be getting SEBI Grade A 2024 crash course for phase 2 dedicatedly. Here you are getting 140 plus all the recorded sessions. You will get MCQ classes also for each subject. 10 plus MCQ classes you are getting. You are getting 60 plus revision classes, and not only that, you are also getting foundational 80 plus classes for all the 6 subjects: commerce and accountancy, finance, costing, everything. So you are getting all the classes here. Make sure that you go through this course, and if you are already preparing for SEBI Grade A 2024, then this is one of the best course to go for. Not only that, if you are a student who is looking for only resources for your preparation and top curated and top quality mock test, we have already launched SEBI Grade A 2024 Learn Pack, which is specifically for phase 2. You get 80 plus detailed notes, you get topic wise test, you also get descriptive 10 test which will be evaluated by expert evaluators, and not only that, you will also get phase 2 dedicated mock tests. Okay, so in this way both of these courses are there. Do check them out. Okay, so where were we were talking related to your overall commerce and accountancy as a subject. So again here you have to consider, you have to make sure that you are solving all types of numericals in commerce and accountancy. That is very, very important. If you see, these are all the topics which have been mentioned. You take a screenshot, important, very important, tough, everything has been written here. So in that way you can definitely see, just yeah. So here you could see all the important topics have been given to you. Just check it out. Okay, take a screenshot which will help you to understand which are the topics you can go for, which are tough, which you have to compulsorily do. That's it. Then questions from commerce and accountancy. Okay, so here you can see. Then last here topic or subject remains is costing. Again, from costing also syllabus is very, very important. As I told you, here 1, 2, 3, it is very, very important. The fourth part you can do it in last 5 days. Again, here you could see chapter 1, 2 theoretical, 3 chapter that is based on your standard costing, marginal costing and budgetary control, that is based on numerical, and fourth is very, very easy. These are some of the previous year questions which have been asked in costing. And then if you see, last part is your Companies Act. These are only chapters of Companies Act. If you see the questions, these are factual or data oriented, number of days, penalty, definitions and important sections are asked. Only this comes up in your Companies Act. And then lastly, let's try to see that what should be your overall strategy for this 30 to 45 days. So here if you see 30 to 45 days plan, if you are looking at, then try to understand that we are having only 30 days in our hands. So we are having only 30 days in our hands. So if 30 days are there, then try to understand first when you will be preparing for commerce and accountancy and management or costing. So first 2 subjects you have to give for 10 days, next 2 subjects you have to give for 10 days, and next 10 subjects you have to give for 10 days. Generally do commerce and accountancy with management, then do finance with costing, and then do Companies Act with economics. I hope it is more than important. So as I told you, SEBI Grade A 2024 phase 2 live free mock tests are still going on. If you are a student who thinks that phase 1 मैं clear कर लूँगा, I am confident enough, then don't stop giving the free mock test for your phase 2. Okay, so that you can definitely give. You can check that out on our Olive Board website. Other than that, here notes are given to you. For example, these are the notes of economics, these are the notes of costing, these are the notes of commerce and accountancy, these are the notes of again accounting and your current affairs. So in this way you could see these are all the resources for SEBI Grade A phase 2 preparation. Go and check out all of our courses also, so that it would be very beneficial for you. So as I told you, here we will end this particular session. Just go and check out our SEBI Grade A 2024 Learn Pack as well as SEBI Grade A 2024 crash course for phase 2 specifically. If you are a student confident enough that phase 1 आपका निकल जाएगा, you will clear it, then why you are waiting, just start your phase 2 preparation. Thank you.